Imagine life as a grand voyage, a journey through uncharted waters with no fixed course in this vast and unpredictable ocean. How do we navigate the waves, the storms, and the calm seas alike? The answer lies in the wisdom of having a set of guiding principles, a set of rules for life. Consider for a moment the importance of rules in any endeavor in sports. There are rules that fair play and competition in mathematics. There are principles that underpin the very foundations of the field. Similarly, in the vast and intricate realm of existence, having rules for life provides us with a compass to navigate the complexities we encounter, just as a ship needs a rudder to steer and a map to chart its course. So too does an individual benefit from a set of guiding principles. These principles serve as your moral compass, your strategic roadmap, and your anchor in the storms of life they provide. Clarity in moments of confusion, resilience in times of adversity, and purpose in the face of uncertainty as we set sail on this journey. Through 25 profound Stoic rules for life, keep in mind that these are not strict boundaries, but adaptable tools. They're the guiding threads in the tapestry of a meaningful existence, the guiding lights on the path to personal growth and fulfillment. So with that said, let's start one value time. Seneca's statement, "All we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given," thus emphasizes the preciousness of time. Time is a finite and non-renewable resource, and how you use it profoundly impacts your life's quality. To make the most of your time, engage in deliberate time management. Evaluate how you allocate your hours and ensure that your activities align with your values and long-term objectives. Eliminate time-wasting activities and distractions, and instead, invest your time in pursuits
that bring you joy, growth, and fulfillment. 2. Focus on what you control in any situation. There are elements within your control and those outside it. As Marcus Aurelius wisely said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. This means that you can't control external circumstances, such as the weather, traffic, or the actions of others, but you can control your response and mindset. By recognizing and focusing on what you can control, you can direct your efforts and energy toward productive and meaningful actions. This might involve managing your reactions, making thoughtful decisions, and maintaining a positive attitude. By doing so, you not only reduce stress and anxiety, but also increase your overall effectiveness in handling life's challenges. 3. Control your responses. Epictetus's quote, "The chief task in life is simply this, to identify and separate matters, so that I can say clearly to myself, which are externals not under my control and which have to do with the choices I actually control," emphasizes the importance of discernment. You may not be able to control external events or the behavior of others, but you always have the power to choose how you respond.
This involves cultivating emotional intelligence, practicing mindfulness, and developing the ability to pause and reflect before reacting. By doing so, you can respond to challenges with wisdom, composure, and grace. 4. Practice stillness. Epictetus' counsel about keeping company with people who uplift you extends to the idea of practicing stillness in our busy lives. Moments of quiet reflection are essential for gaining clarity and making thoughtful decisions. Carve out time for stillness, whether through meditation, journaling, or simply finding a peaceful place to think. This practice can help you see things more clearly and make better, informed choices. 5. Habits define you. Aristotle's insight, "We are what we repeatedly do." Excellence, then, is not an act but a habit. Highlights the role of habits in shaping your character and success. Your habits are the building blocks of your life to become the person you want to be. Identify the values and qualities you aspire to embody, and then cultivate habits that align with those ideals, whether it's daily exercise, practicing gratitude, or continuous learning. Your habits play a crucial role in your personal development and overall life satisfaction. 6. Have no opinions. Marcus Aurelius's advice about not forming judgments on matters beyond your control speaks to the Stoic concept of equanimity. It's natural to have opinions and reactions to events, but these judgments can often lead to unnecessary distress. To implement this principle, practice mindfulness and cognitive reframing. When faced with a challenging situation, recognize that your interpretation and opinion about it are within your control. By reframing your perspective and focusing on what you can control, you can maintain a sense of inner peace and resilience, even in the face of adversity. 7. Own your mornings. Seneca's guidance to begin at once to live and count each separate day as a separate life underscores the significance of starting your day with intention. A positive morning routine can set the tone for the rest of the day. To do this, consider practices such as meditation, journaling, or setting clear daily goals by beginning each day with purpose and mindfulness. You can shape a more meaningful and productive life. 8. Embrace challenges. Epicus wisdom that the greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it encourages us to view challenges as opportunities for growth. Challenges are an inherent part of life, and they provide valuable learning experiences. Embrace them with a growth mindset, recognizing that they can help you build resilience and develop new skills. Rather than avoiding difficulties, seek them out as opportunities to demonstrate your inner strength and capacity for growth. 9. Avoid comparisons. Seneca's insight that we suffer more often in imagination than in reality underscores the harm of constantly comparing ourselves to others. Instead of measuring your worth or success by external standards or the achievements of others, focus on your personal progress, celebrate your achievements, and continue to strive for self-improvement. Recognize that comparing yourself to others often leads to unnecessary stress and hinders your own growth. 10. Live as if reborn. Seneca's advice to treat each day as a new beginning emphasizes the idea that each day offers a fresh opportunity to implement this principle. Practice letting go of past mistakes and regrets. Embrace each new day with optimism and a commitment to living in alignment with your values and goals. Use the lessons from your past to inform your present choices and create a more purposeful and fulfilling life. 11. Value kindness. Marcus Aurelius' guidance to choose not to be harmed and you won't feel harmed reminds us of the power of kindness, even in challenging situations and difficult circumstances. Extend kindness to others and yourself. Recognize that everyone has their struggles, and responding with compassion and empathy can foster harmony and understanding. By choosing kindness over resentment or anger, you can contribute to a more compassionate and harmonious world. 12. Forgive. Marcus Aurelius' wisdom that the best revenge is not to be like your enemy emphasizes the liberating power of forgiveness. Forgiveness is a gift you give to yourself. Letting go of grudges and resentments allows you to move forward with inner peace and integrity. It doesn't mean condoning harmful behavior, but rather choosing to release the emotional burden of holding on to anger or resentment. 13. The 4 virtues. Embracing the Stoic virtues of courage, temperance, justice, and wisdom in your daily life fosters personal and moral growth. Cultivate courage to face challenges and take risks. Practice temperance to exercise self-control and moderation. Seek justice in your actions by treating others with fairness and equity, and prioritize wisdom in your decision-making and problem-solving. By embodying these virtues, you can live a more virtuous and fulfilling life. 14. Seek wisdom from others. Seneca's advice to study the lives of great individuals highlights the value of learning from the experiences and wisdom of others. Consider reading biographies, autobiographies, or studying the philosophies of individuals you admire. Their journeys and insights can offer valuable lessons and guidance for your own path to a meaningful life. By seeking wisdom from others, you can accelerate your personal growth and development. 15. Accept and adapt. Marcus Aurelius' insight that the impediment to action advances action encourages us to view obstacles as opportunities. Challenges are not roadblocks, but pathways to personal growth and resilience. Adopt a mindset of acceptance and adaptability, recognizing that obstacles can be transformed into stepping stones. By embracing difficulties as chances to learn and evolve, you can navigate life's challenges with greater ease and effectiveness. 16. Living in the present moment. Marcus Aurelius' advice not to waste time underscores the importance of embracing each moment fully to live in the present. Practice mindfulness. Be aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. Focus on being the best version of yourself in the here and now, rather than dwelling on hypothetical scenarios or past regrets. By doing so, you can make the most of each moment and lead a more intentional and fulfilling life. 17. Choose your associations wisely. Epictetus' counsel to associate with people who are likely to improve you underscores the impact of your social connections. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire and support your growth. Your relationships play a significant role in shaping your values, choices, and personal development. Choose associations that align with your aspirations and encourage your personal and moral growth. 18. Don't discuss your philosophy. Epictetus' advice to embody rather than explain your philosophy emphasizes the power of living by your principles. Actions speak louder than words. Instead of merely discussing your beliefs, demonstrate them through your daily choices and behaviors. Let your actions reflect your values, and you'll not only inspire others but also find greater authenticity and alignment in your own life. 19. Avoid ego. Epictetus' insight that it is impossible for a man to learn what he thinks he already knows reminds us of the importance of humility and a growth mindset. Keep your ego in check by acknowledging that there is always more to learn and areas for improvement. Embrace a humble approach to life, valuing opportunities for growth and learning over the need to be right or appear infallible. By doing so, you can continually evolve and develop. Petani memento mori. Seneca's advice to prepare our minds as if we'd come to the very end of life is a reminder of our mortality. Reflecting on the brevity of life can serve as a powerful motivator to make the most of our time. To apply this principle regularly, consider what you are doing with the time you have. Are you living in alignment with your value and goals? Are you making choices that will lead to a meaningful and fulfilling life? Remembering that time is finite encourages you to prioritize what truly matters and seize the present moment. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the wisdom of Stoicism.